Creating video content is not just a job for me or a way of making a living. It's an obsession, a lifestyle. It's the reason I'm editing past my bedtime and waking up before the sun. Filming constantly gives me a way to push myself. It's my creativity, my journal, a way to remember and to relive. It's ultimately how I express myself. I grew up in Arizona where I fell in love with the cactus, the dirt, rocks, dry land, that kind of beauty that some people have a hard time seeing. But I've been in Utah for the past 4 years where I've learned to love the colors and the change of seasons. Both places giving me a wide range of backdrops and locations to shoot in that keep me inspired and hungry to make more videos. I can't stay in one place for very long, which has given me the nickname of Gypsy in my family. But constantly traveling makes it almost impossible to get sick of my surroundings. Many people ask me what my favorite thing to shoot is, and I find that to be one of the hardest questions. I love being able to capture moments. Moments that you'll never be able to get back, that you want to remember and replay over and over in your head. I capture emotion and true expressions. I love getting to know the subject and finding their strengths and quirks and capturing their true spirit, the way that their closest friends know them. And then there's music. Finding that perfect song to complement the video that makes you feel something, that's my favorite part. My friends have learned to never let me plug in my phone in the car for music because I'm that weird girl that has all the instrumentals on her phone. There's something about music that triggers people's emotion more than anything. I love fusing together the video footage and the music to make the final product something that you feel when it's all over instead of something that you just watched. My goal is to create video content that people won't ignore or skip through completely, that they want to watch over and over and that they're drawn to. I want to someday be known for being able to tell stories in their integrity, telling an honest love story, a foreign family's tale, a reuniting, or bringing new life into the world. Honestly, I just want to make people cry. I do what I do to separate myself, to be unordinary, to inspire and to be inspired, to create and to storytell. My name is Breea with Tell the Birds, and this is what I love to do.
New technique here.